The overall goal of this procedure is to lineage label cells in a zebrafish embryo. This is accomplished by first synthesizing caged fluorescein and injecting it into the zebrafish embryos. Embryos are then mounted in agarose so that the cells to be labeled are accessible. Next, a UV laser is used to activate the caged fluorescein in selected cells of the embryo. Finally, embryos are harvested after they have developed to the desired stage, and the labeled cells are detected in relation to markers of particular lineages. Ultimately, results can be obtained that show the fate of selected cells in the embryos through photo-uncaging and immunofluorescent microscopy.
The main advantage of this technique over existing techniques such as photoconversion of K-Day is that multicolored immunofluorescence can detect uncaged fluorescein in addition to other cell type specific antibodies.
To inject caged fluorescein dextran into zebrafish embryos, first synthesize it and prepare 1% weight per volume stock aliquots according to the accompanying written protocol. Next, dilute an aliquot 1 to 5 or 1 to 10 in 0.2 molar potassium chloride. Next, inject 0.5 to 1 nanoliter of caged fluorescein solution into the yolk of 1 cell stage embryos using a pressure injector. Once injected, clutches of embryos must be kept in the dark at 28.5 degrees Celsius to reduce nonspecific uncaging. At the desired developmental stage, manually remove the chorions from the embryos. Anesthetize the embryos in 4% tricaine. To mount the embryos, equilibrate 0.8% melted agarose in a 50 degrees Celsius heat block for at least 15 minutes.